Hi, it's Tamara here from the EFT Training Centre, and I just want to offer you a little bit of tapping for the coronavirus. I know I've made a number of videos, but what I've noticed is that the fear and anxiety and worry is really escalating around me, and I've gone through a whole range of emotions from fear and anxiety to complete denial and ignoring it all. To feeling calm about it. And what I realized is, and I'm sure like you watching it know this as well, that the calmer we can feel, the more joy we can experience, the better our immune system works and the stronger we can be. And there are so many aspects to this coronavirus problem. Just it's not just the illness, it's also fear for the vulnerable people. It's also the impact that is happening on our society, on the economy, on the future. And so all I know that I can do is I can tap, and I want to offer that to you because I know that the more people that we get tapping, the more people who can calm themselves down, the better it will be for themselves, their own immune systems, the people around them, and that can only be a good thing. So I really want to spread the tapping love around so that we can all benefit from it. So please, if you're watching this, do share it if this feels like a good thing to do so that more people can benefit from tapping. So if you haven't done tapping before, EFT, emotional freedom techniques, it's like acupuncture for emotions without the use of needles. And just do what I do and say what I say. And if you don't like what I do or say, simply don't do it. So as usual, because I'm going to be touching my face, I'm going to be putting my hand sanitizer on. Okay, so even though I have all this worry and anxiety and frustration and fear and anger about this weird and wacky situation of the coronavirus, I'm acknowledging how I feel now, and I'm noticing how that feels in my body. Even though I have all these feelings, this confusion, this overwhelm, this disbelief about the coronavirus and the impact it's having on humanity the world over, I deeply and completely accept myself just the way I am, even though I'm really worried, not just for myself, for my loved ones, for vulnerable people, for the economy, for how it's going to affect me. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. All of this fear, all of this anxiety, all of this worry, all of this frustration, all of this anger, all of this vulnerability, fear of getting the illness, fear that loved ones will get the illness, fear of not having enough food because of the empty shelves, fear of not enough food, not enough medication, not enough toilet paper, just not enough. Making me feel panicky, making me feel irrational, worried about the right thing to do. I keep hearing mixed messages and I don't know what the right thing to do is. Fear about the economy, fear about my work, fear about the future. All of this fear and anxiety. acknowledging as it is right now, and noticing my body in the chair and my feet on the floor, and my breath just how it is and just how it isn't. Noticing my emotions without judging them. Noticing my breath and taking a deeper, fuller breath now. And letting some of this stress go. And just say transform and take a deep breath. And just tune in now what you need. And for me, a word that I've been tapping on is the feeling of calmness. So I'm going to do some tapping on that. And again, just do what I do and say what I say. I want to feel calmer, and take 3 deep breaths. I want to feel calmer than that. And take a deep breath. I'm inviting in calm energy into every cell of my body, and take a deep breath. Calmer energy, infusing every fibre of my being, and take a deep breath. Calm, trusting energy, and take a deep breath. And radiating this beautiful, calm, radiant, peaceful energy out around me, and take a deep breath. And just tune into what colour that calm energy is. For me, it's a turquoise. Turquoise, calm, peaceful and trusting energy. And take a deep breath. Reducing stress and increasing immunity. And take a deep breath. And moving on to the thumb point, which is just here. Infusing even more calm, peaceful and trusting energy into myself and infusing my home, and take a deep breath. And moving on to the same point on the first finger. Calm, trusting, peaceful energy, infusing every family member, and take a deep breath. And sending that calm, trusting, peaceful energy out into my community, and take a deep breath. An abundance of calm, peaceful, light, trusting energy, infusing everyone in the country I live right now, and take a deep breath. infusing even more calm, peaceful and light energy into the whole of the planet. And take a deep breath. And side of the hand, and radiating that calm, peaceful and light energy out into our futures. And take a deep breath. And say transform, and take a deep breath. Transform. So if this helped, please repeat it as many times as you need to, and share it with other people who are worried and scared. And I'm planning to come back. My intention is to come back every day this week and offer you a tapping video to help you and to help everyone, because I feel like it's my duty, if I've got this tool, to just do what I can to help people feel calmer and to help people reduce their stress and increase their immunity. Lots of love. And if you want to know more about EFT, please do download our EFT manual on eft-courses.org.uk. Bye.